Immerse in the world of CherryPy, a swift, stable, and lightweight Python web development framework. Open source and compatible with any Python-friendly environment, it's a developer's delight. CherryPy's versatility allows it to handle everything from sessions, file uploads, to cookies and static content. With CherryPy, creating web applications is as simple as crafting an object-oriented Python application, minimizing source code production time. It's your trusted partner, offering a HTTP 1 compliant thread pooling WSGI web server and the ability to run multiple HTTP servers concurrently. Supported platforms include Python 2, 7+, Python 3, 5+, PyPy, Jython, and even Android. It boasts a host of integrated utilities for encoding, sessions, caching, authentication, and static content. Plus, a robust configuration system for developers and administrators, and integrated support for profiling, coverage, and testing. However, it's not without its challenges. The lack of comprehensive documentation can be a hurdle, especially for novices. Keep tuning in for more insights, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.